Hi friends, this is Subodh Vidwa and now I will discuss you how to be a public speaker. Dear friends, there are some facts which we always remember about public speaking because we want to speak, we want to explain our ideas and our thoughts, but we are unable to explain our ideas or thoughts. Why? We are unable to explain our ideas and thoughts. Do you know? Absolutely, you should know because everybody wants to speak publicly. He want to explain his ideas. Everybody like to speak among the people, but we have 4 points. First is remove the fear of speaking. We have fear of speaking. If we want to say something, if we want to speak among the people, definitely at that time we have fear how to speak and how to start our speaking. So we have fear about speaking because we are unable to speak anything because we never got a chance in past that we can explain our ideas and thoughts. Therefore we have definitely hesitation for spoken. Definitely if we would get a chance in our school education time, we can speak fluently among the people. So second point, don't care about wrong or right. My dear friends, when we speak anything about in English, definitely we think about English at first grammatically. So we should not think about grammar because it is the beginning. We are beginners. If we want to start the foreign language, because English is foreign language for us. We are Indian and our mother tongue is Hindi. So definitely when we speak about any topic, when we speak about any topic in English, we have a fear. Oh, I am speaking, I am telling something right or wrong. Oh, it is not grammatically correct. It is incorrect or correct. We are busy in correct or incorrect. It is second advice that don't care about right or wrong. You speak only. You speak among the people. But don't care. It may be right, it may be wrong. The third point is that speak among the people. Dear friends, always speak among the people. Why do we speak among the people? We should speak, we must speak among the people because when we speak alone, when we speak in the room, when we speak before the mirror, because there are a number of people, they always advise that you should practice before the mirror. But I think that we should not practice before the mirror. We should practice among the people so that our fear may be removed. Because if we don't speak among the people, we have always fear. So, my dear friends, if we want to remove our hesitation, if we want to remove our fear of speaking, we must speak among the people. Don't care about right or wrong. So, we should not care about their searching out of mistakes because making mistake is a common thing. It is a natural thing. Everybody commit mistake, but we don't care. We should speak and speak among the people fluently. The fourth point is very important because you know, if we speak anything among the people, 90% people are negative for this language because a little knowledge is very dangerous thing. If he knows something about English, definitely if suppose I speak a sentence, definitely you are listening me, at that time you definitely search out my mistakes. Sir is speaking this sentence is incorrectly, grammatically incorrect. So definitely it may be incorrect. I know, I think also. So you should think also that. Definitely when you speak among the people, definitely you commit mistake. So my dear friends, these are the 4 main points for public speaking. You know, in the beginning, every people laugh at you, but we should not fear of laugh. Speaking English is your work, and if you take a vow for 20 days that you commit a promise that in 21 days from morning till evening he will never speak Hindi. Either you know word meaning or you don't know the word meaning, but definitely you can ask, you can search, you can read books, and you can collect a number of words definitely, and you will speak correctly. My friends, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye. And those people who are new, who are watching my video, definitely I wish that you would subscribe my channel, and you will